Looking at a survey on this boat, active fin stabilizers, something that I noticed, all of these scratches. All of those scratches are caused from the fin moving back and forth, which is what it's supposed to do. But you could see that there was barnacles on top of that. I'm trying to run my flashlight back and forth. And I'm looking at this space here. This space is kind of close to the boat, where I checked the space on the other side of the boat, and it's not as tight as this is. So I don't know if this was installed a little bit crooked or if something has happened to it. On the inside of the boat, we'll have to take a look. But you can see how close it is to the hull. And to prove that, hang on, I'll run around to the other side of the boat to the starboard. You can see the fin right there. And you can see how much more space we have open right there. So I don't know if there was an impact on the shaft on the other side, knocking it back, making the fin touch, or if it was just installed a tiny bit not perfect. This is something your surveyor should find out outside the boat and also inside the boat. If you have questions about surveys, we've got a 44-page PDF. Ask Captain Chris.